Bosa has that story for us. Hi, Dee.
Hey, Wilf, that's right. As unicorns, as they stay private for longer, participating in a late-stage round is one way for institutional investors to catch some of that upside. The problem is some of the buzziest unicorns saw big write-downs this year. Mutual funds like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Jackson National invested in WeWork and Jewel, two of this year's biggest flops, leading them to write down those investments by as much as 75%. We know that Uber and Lyft received a lot of money from mutual funds pre-IPO as well. Now, just today, hedge fund Tiger Global cut Juul's valuation further to $19 billion. Now, another interesting trend here, guys, is that we have seen mutual funds get into startups in earlier rounds. Allbirds' Series C round was led by T. Rowe with participation from Fidelity. And finally, guys, the unicorn recalibration isn't over yet for some. A source familiar tells me that dog walking app Wag cut its workforce by 80% today from the start of the year, and it's buying back SoftBank's stake to basically start over again for the company. Back to you.
Another potentially bad write-down for SoftBank in that one. Dee, I guess perhaps we could have seen the sign coming once mutual funds that's area of expertise is analyzing publicly listed mature companies started getting into this game, that it could well have been a sign of the top in itself.
Well, it's hard to say because it does make up such a small percentage of their holdings. And also, I should note that Fidelity gave us a comment, and they said that they've actually had more successes than they have IPO disappointments. They've been in companies like CrowdStrike and Datadog. I think the thing is that these companies are just staying private for a lot longer. So when are you supposed to get in? For pension funds, for the people that you're responsible to, these companies in some cases represent among the best growth. So I think it's a trend that you'll continue to see, although we had Brad Gerstner, from Altimer Capital on earlier today, and he said that he does think that given this year, you might see some of these funds pull back a little bit.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Deirdre.